What's shifting shifters?
It's CNB Nation
and we back with a shifty video.
Today is our last day, y'all. We just extended our stay at our hotel. Now we about to go get something to eat. I convinced Bae, let's go to the not the sugar factory, the Cheesecake factory. I never been there, Bae never been there, so we're gonna try it, see what it's hitting for. I hope the food is good. The desserts look good, of course, but I hope the food is good. I never tried it. Of course. So we gonna see.
Yeah, we about to go up in there. I probably might get some pasta, something something light.
And then, like my Ari Petite. Bae got me this from Adidas.
Ivy Park, Beyonce type of timing, yeah. But yeah, we about to head there. Then after we got something planned, we're not gonna let y'all know what it is until we get there.
Oh yes.
Hopefully we could be able to do it. If not, it is what it is. But we just trying to take y'all along on the journey with us. This is our last day. It's Friday the 28th. So yeah, it's our last day. Trying to make shit happen before it hits 7 o'clock out here in Florida, which is the time that we depart. 7 o'clock-ish.
7:30.
Yeah.
Depart.
But like I was saying, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell if y'all new to be a part of the Shifty crew. And we gonna tune y'all back in. Alright, so we getting inside the Cheesecake Factory.
I've never been here. I always wanted to come here.
This one look nice though.
Oh, this one look nice. It's expensive.
Expensive? Who's spending money? You spending money?
Look at the side.
But we here, y'all, as I can see.
You can't catch me.
We're gonna tune y'all back in though. We about to see we get a seat and then tune y'all back in. Okay, now. Where we sitting at there?
I don't know, but I want to sit in the booth.
I thought we was back here.
Yes, thank you so much. We got a nice one in the back. Here. How we roll. Okay. The menu. So pretty.
Thank you.
So cute. I'm excited, y'all.
Alright, see what you want. Alright, shifter. So this is us right here.
Oh, I'm nervous.
Us.
So do we take our pictures or take a mask?
We're about to take some pictures, y'all. It's loud, so I'm tuning y'all back in.
Even though I got the cake, but do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how I went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Why they just call me to tell me come get it? Got that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they want that it. Party still beating, my niggas still eat it. Like you the little let the garden and eat it. Little talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down there. What they had didn't last. Down there, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down there, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down there, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down there, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
Yeah, so it wasn't as scary as I thought. It was really calm and peaceful. I liked it. I loved it. It was nice. We're paying for our pictures now. Let me see if I can show y'all what pictures we about to get. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, we just took some pictures. Oh, look. On the picture. Scroll for y'all. If you want to. Like this. We picked 2 out of these though. We're gonna show y'all though. That's how all the pictures came out. they was not paying attention, and some of them I had to tell him pay attention. Here I'm telling him pay attention. Then that's when we retook the pictures. Fire, fire, fire. And then these are when we flew away. Period. And then this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna have like our stand-up picture behind the helicopter here. And then it's gonna have our picture of us sitting right here. So I like it. This was like the packages for the folders and stuff like that. So we did that. Base paying for it now. I didn't get no pictures by myself by the helicopter, but Bae did. Let me show y'all. It was so nice. It was so nice. I'm mad I didn't. I shoulda, cause his look nice. Damn, I shoulda took some. When it comes back, I'm gonna try to take some, like out the gate, so I can see. You got it? How long? He said. Oh, it's getting pretty. How you think it was, babe?
The experience is definitely 10 out of 10. That shit is fire. That shit is
just for the experience.
It was just mad short. It's expensive. Yeah, it's just mad short. It's expensive.
I feel like for the price we did is perfect for the time we did. I just feel like that.
Yeah.
I just feel like that. Oh, this is the.
Pretty good.
Ooh, I love that.
Out there, so I had a decision to make. I could either make you guys stand straight or sideways, or the pad sideways, because the pad's slightly sideways. You can kind of see that everything's kind of tilted. But I wanted to get you guys standing straight up, so I went on that.
Okay, most definitely. You did your thing. You did your thing.
All right, man.
Appreciate it.
Okay, you guys can put
You
it
like
in
this
here.
one, or is it a little blurry?
Scratched or rained on or whatever.
It's a little blurry.
It's not blurry. You don't think so?
There we go. You can use
No,
that.
it's fire.
All right, you guys.
You think so? It's valid.
Yeah.
Two floors.
This is
It
fire.
look clean.
Yeah. Nah, I love this picture.
Exactly. Let's give him face card. I'm grabbing it.
I love it. Ah, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. I should call my mom. Yes, we had a ball though. It was nice. I loved it. They're about to land. Oh, they're about to land. They're landing. I'm gonna take a picture by you.
Back in.
Y'all, I'm gonna see if I could take a picture next to it. Get your phone ready. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, so our lazy self took cabs. Oh, I'm so sorry. Took cabs. A $6 cab. It wasn't bad. It was just a 2-minute ride. But we're coming back in our hotel. We're gonna change to our bathing suits and then we're gonna go to the pool. We're gonna go to the pool, chill, and then we're gonna come back up and change, and then we're out of here, y'all. We out. We paid for
I'm about to get a water.
so checkout was originally at 11. Yeah, get a water. Originally at 11, but we did extend our stay. I think we told y'all that. I'm not sure, but yeah, we're going upstairs waiting for the elevator. I'm gonna change to my business suit 123 because right now it's 2:24. The challenge is we gotta try to get ready by 2:30. We gotta try to be ready by 2:30. So I'm just hurry up and change my business suit. I'm gonna tell Beta hurry up and we going straight outside. We're gonna see y'all back in when we outside.
Laura?
Bitches on bitches on bitches again. That's all I've been on since you got with me.